Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Danielle and today I want to talk about cheating on keto and what you do when it happens. And let's talk about my week as well because, you know, we're here and we're friends and we don't talk. Alright, so I'm sitting in my kitchen. It is the only place that has any light in this house because it's rainy and yeah. So it is a little late in the day. It's about 12:30. I actually just came home from the gym because, you know, I just had to start my day over. So let's talk about cheating on keto. So yesterday, I think it was Thursday. Thursday was our 10-year wedding anniversary and we didn't have time to like go out or whatever. So we ended up going out yesterday and we took our kids and we went out to eat. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, shameless plug, do so. And I cheated. I cheated on keto. It happens. Sometimes you're just not gonna make the best decisions. And you're not going to beat yourself up for it. You're going to wake up and start over. And that's Ketosis, or the water. So, yeah, I just had some carbs. We went out to a Mexican restaurant. So, yeah, I had some tortilla chips. I had some rice. I had dessert. I enjoyed my anniversary with my dinner and my dinner with my girls and my husband. And that's life. Not every chance you're going to get, you're going to make the best decisions. The goal in having a healthy lifestyle is to make mostly the best decisions possible. Now, I'm not saying every other day you should have a cheat or whatever the case may be. I'm just saying to try to do it your best. If you don't do it your best, it's okay. Don't beat yourself up. Don't like have a domino effect where it just turns into days, turns into a week turns into a month, and before you know it, you are just completely off track. I have friends. Oh gosh, Ray, can you put my phone on silent? Oh my gosh. The chaos of not recording in my room. The dog's playing with the bone, my phone's going off, whatever. This is real life. This is a real life update, okay? So, yeah, I cheated and probably I feel bloated. I'm still not hungry. So it's like I said, 12:30. I did fasted cardio. I did some weightlifting, but I just got up this morning and just said, okay, back on plan. And that's what I want you guys to know, that even though I'm on here and I'm like, all right, let's do this and do that, and you could always find substitutes, sometimes it's just you don't, and it's okay. So I didn't, and that's okay, because I'm gonna start fresh today and I'm not beating myself up. I'm feeling real good. I'm, you know, whatever. So what's the plan? So I did really good with my workouts. I actually hurt my shoulder. I don't know what I did. And it's like, I can't like, I don't know if it's like my rotator cuff. I don't know. I'm not an ortho. But like I can't like, it hurts when I reach over and I can't reach up my back. So if I have like a back scratch I need, sucks. So I'm kind of just being a little careful with it. So I just left the gym right now. I did some back exercises. I did about 30 minutes of cardio. I really like to, if I do have like an instance where I slip up, I really like to just go real heavy on the cardio and do it super intense. So I make up like a really good sweat and I basically just try to sweat out all the carbs. And that's what you do, guys. The quickest way to get back into ketosis is cardio. That's just what it is. You gotta deplete your sugar storage. So I went ahead, I hit the gym. This week my kids are on spring break, my husband's on vacation, so I'm gonna probably hit the gym hella hard this week just because I have the opportunity. I like going to the gym, I like working out because I like taking time for myself. I love a good sweat and I feel like I'm doing the damn thing. Like I feel like a boss when I'm like hitting the gym real good. So that's my plan. I have, like I said last week, been really experimenting with different recipes. I did a lot of keto baking. I have a video, I have a keto full day of eating while, like on a typical work day for me, and it's also going to be a meatless option because I did film it on a Friday and I do observe Lent, so I don't eat meat on Fridays. So I have that coming up for you guys, and I have like a recipe video, a keto recipe video. I know you guys really like those videos, so I'm trying to put out more of those. And I think I'm going to do a grocery haul too because we are running low on some stuff. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and try to take the camera with me to the grocery store and do like a shop with me grocery haul. I do not meal plan. It's just, I don't work like that. I kind of just figure it out the night before. I pull out like my meat that I need to freeze, and then I kind of see what produce I have on hand. I typically go to the grocery store like every 3 days for fresh produce because it tends to go bad quickly if I don't eat it. Like I don't like stocking up too much. I do like fruit and stuff for my kids, but like produce, you know, like a vegetable and stuff like that, I try to go every couple days just to refresh my stock. So that's how I do it. I don't eat like canned vegetables, or I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. Girl, you do you, but I don't prefer that. So that's the way I do it. So we kind of just fly by the seat of our pants around here. That's life in our household. You know, you do you, I do me, and we'll be a big happy family. I'm gonna do a body shot. I did not jump on the scale. I still have yet to buy a scale. I might go today. I know I've seen a lot of messages and I see your guys' comments, and I know I'm not the only one that thinks the scale's an asshole, so I don't want to weigh in, but we're gonna do kind of a body shot. I'm kind of gross right now because, like I said, I literally just walked in and I'm filming this because my 2 kids and my husband are out, so it's kind of quiet-ish around here. Yeah, so I'm planning on how am I going to do like my counting and everything. I think I'm just going to like stay the way I have. I really enjoy lazy keto. It is realistic for us. Change of location. The kids just all walked in. I'm in my dirty bedroom. Hey, it's life, okay? So we're just gonna ignore that. But yeah, so I like lazy keto just because it works really well for me. I don't feel like I'm obsessed with the numbers. I'm just living my life, but making the best food choices. That's why I prefer it. I do keep like a mental count of my carbs, and that's what works. I don't know, I mean, I'm not trying to compete. I'm not really trying to lose a huge amount of weight at this point. I'm just trying to lean out and maybe lose 10, 15 pounds at most. I was watching My 600 Pound Life. Comment down below if you guys watched that. I love that show. I don't know why. I just find it so inspiring for people to completely change a lifetime of bad choices and bad decisions and completely take control of themselves. And I find them so inspiring. So I was seeing that a lot of those people, they had just cut back a few calories and they lost like, one lady lost like 20 pounds in a week. It was insane. So that's what I kind of wanted to touch on. Like if you have a huge amount of weight to lose, and I'm talking over 100 pounds, the scale will move a lot quicker for you. Somebody who's almost at goal, getting close to goal, it might take you a month to lose 3 pounds. Don't be a prisoner to the scale, guys. I just cannot tell you that enough. Measurements, pictures, those are what you're going to see. You will see the inches before you see the pounds. It's just the way it is. It's the way how your body holds water weight. It's how much muscle you have, you know, how big your breasts are. I mean, these things all really matter, you know, and that's just the way it is. So take those things into account. Don't be so hard on yourself. Don't think because you've seen Susie lose 50 pounds in a month on keto and you've lost 4, you're doing it wrong. Each person is on a different chapter. You cannot compare Susie's chapter 10 to your chapter 1. It's just not realistic, and you're setting yourself up for disappointment. I believe you guys can do this. I believe whatever way of eating you choose, you can do it. Believe in yourself. Don't let the scale, you know, hold you back or make you feel like you're not doing the work, because you are. You're making this huge step forward on trying to better yourself and put yourself in the best physical health that you can be. It takes time. All right, if you have slip-ups, like I had a slip-up yesterday. I'm not gonna punish myself and beat myself down and then for the next 3 days eat nothing but water or drink nothing but water. It happens. You're going to live your life. And that's my message for today. But that's like what I want to tell you. Sometimes you're going to cheat. Sometimes you're not going to make the better of the choices. It's okay. It's how you react to it, how the day after, the moment after, you know, your steps afterwards that really are going to tell you, you know, how you're going to react to a cheat. Are you going to continuously cheat? Are you going to just say screw it and just say, you know what, F this, I'm not even on this level anymore, I can't do this? That's what's going to set you apart from people who keep on doing it or the people who give up. Don't give up on yourself, because you're worth it. I know you're worth it. You know you're worth it. I believe in you. You can do this. You got this, honey. You got it, baby. So, yeah, this week we're going to hit the gym. I'm going to make some great food choices. And that's it. That's the name of the game, guys, is you just keep going. Now, if you are trying to be strict keto and you got, you know, these huge goals and you're, you know, a slip up might be huge for you. You know, all I'm saying is it's unrealistic to think that you're going to be 100% on your game 100% of the time. You're a human, this is real life, and sometimes it just doesn't work, but you can do it. And I've done it, and I will continue to do it. So I want to know how your guys' week is, how you're doing. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you, I have a mirror right here in my room. I'm gonna go ahead and just take the camera and kind of give you guys a body shot and show you guys what we're working with. I did my measurements this morning. My waist is at 31 inches. That is huge for me. My hips are at 36. My thighs are around 24. They were about 22 last time, but I have been really increasing my weights. So it could just be I'm gaining muscle mass, and I'm here for it, honey. I'm here for the slim, thick figure, baby, because that's what I like for myself. Maybe you want to be just super long and lean. That's on you, baby girl, baby boy, whatever you is, you do you, okay? All right, please forgive this room. Like I said, we were out all weekend, and I just haven't gotten around to doing like the housework part of my day. But it's coming, I promise. I'm going to clean my room. Don't call my mom. But all right, let me show you what we're working with. I am a little bloated because this is just my, I use that that sweat enhancer, so that's kind of what that is. I am kind of bloated because of the post cheats, but we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna roll that up. These are some Lululemon leggings. I got them for like 50 bucks on ThredUp. Holler ThredUp. This is not sponsored. But yeah, so here is the waist. Pretty slim. I love these leggings because they go really high. So I'm here for it. But yeah. So that's that. And then here are, everything is kind of coming together. I'm digging it. I'm for it. So you can kind of see some abdominal definition coming in. I definitely could tell with my back that it's starting to shred out. It's starting to get leaner. But I've been really increasing my ab work, and even considering that I'm bloated because I had all those carbs yesterday and I had some adult beverages, you could still see it. So, you know, your girl is doing the dang thing. But yeah, so there you go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat because my stomach's actually growling. So I haven't eaten since, I wanna say about 6 o'clock last night, and it's 12:30, so I need to go ahead and get that in. I might give it a whirl at intermittent fasting this week, see how that goes. I don't know. I haven't eaten, and I went to the gym and took my pre-workout, and I felt okay. So maybe I just needed to readjust to it. So that may be it. I don't know. We'll update it next week. I might give it a try and see how it goes. I did like intermittent fasting a lot just because I felt less bloated, and I liked this, like, I'm really good on like schedule. Sorry, my nose is itching. So I'm gonna wrap this up. If you guys like keto updates, motivation, someone in your corner, you know, just doing the damn thing, just supporting each other, stick around, be my friend. We do that shit around here. But I love you guys. Have a great week. Do not forget, if you do have a mess up, it's okay. You didn't gain all this weight on one meal, and you're not going to, or yeah, you didn't gain all the weight that you had on one meal. You know, so one meal isn't going to screw you up, okay? It's when it just keeps going. It's where we develop the problems. But even if you've had 2 weeks and you're like, oh my God, I can't get back on track. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. But all right, guys, I will see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you so much. Bye, guys.